Hi guys, today we'll talk about home business insurance and do you really need it? The thing about home business insurance is that many home-based business owners assume that their homeowner's insurance policy covers the property damages and liabilities that occur with the business. This is not usually the case. And rather than find out after it's too late, it's usually a good idea to find out about insuring your home-based business before the damages happen. It may cost less than you think because in many cases, business owners can simply add on what's called a rider to their existing policy and they don't have to purchase separate business insurance. This, of course, can be much cheaper than purchasing a brand new policy. Furthermore, business owners may need liability coverage if clients frequently visit the home, for example, but they may not have much business property to insure, so that can cut their costs. Let's look at 5 ways you can cut costs when it comes to insurance fees. Number 1, call your insurance company. Majority of at-home business owners aren't aware that they can make a simple change to their existing homeowner's policy to cover damages due to their business activities. This addition is called a home business rider, and it can be fairly inexpensive depending on what needs to be insured in your business. Number 2, get quotes from multiple companies. In order to make sure that you're getting the best deal, you want to shop around. The quickest way to do this is through one of the online insurance networks where you can get multiple quotes all at one time. This will save you a lot of time, and using this strategy, it's really transparent and typically more competitive, so you can get better rates from companies, and it also helps you avoid getting ripped off from higher rates that you may not necessarily think are high. Number 3, find group discounts. A lot of times, regional business clubs or trade associations provide lower priced group insurance programs that aren't available to small and home-based businesses when they purchase individually. So these organizations, when they buy in bulk, they get lower insurance premiums, so they can pass these on to their members. Becoming a member may cost you a little money, but this is really inconsequential when compared to the cost savings that you can receive. But you do want to evaluate the cost benefit. Number 4, show you are low risk. Insurance companies don't want to insure a business that is high risk, so there are steps that you can take to show them that you're not a risky business. So, for instance, if customers, vendors, workers visit your home, install security and safety equipment as well as having proper lighting, remove any potential hazards of things that could cause people to trip, that could be broken and cause damage easily, that could harm people, things like that. If you're not sure what could make you a high-risk client, ask your insurance company. Then, of course, you can make a lot of the adjustments before getting insured. Number 5, increase your insurance deductible. Now, this is the same with all types of insurance. When you increase your deductible, premiums typically will go down. Raising your deductible can lower your monthly premiums, but you also don't want to raise it so much that if catastrophe happens, that you can't cover the damages that your insurance doesn't cover. So kind of look at what you can afford, what's best for you. Usually somewhere in the middle works out best for businesses. One of the nice things about being a home business owner is that typically you have less property to insure, and this means lower rates. You also usually don't employ many workers, and some companies, some home-based businesses don't even have clients coming on the premises. So this can really make a big difference in the cost of your insurance. And Of course, this is one of the big benefits to going into business for yourself at home. On the flip side, however, small businesses tend to have fewer resources. So in the case of a problem happening, an accident, they don't necessarily have the finances to cover the problem, to pay for it. And this is where insurance comes in. It's really important to have it. And since it's so much less expensive for a home-based business to get it, and they typically can't afford a problem if it happens, it's really good to go ahead and get it. Yeah, the businesses can go out, a small business can go out of business pretty quickly if they don't have the proper insurance coverage. So it's really ideal. You can minimize your risk for very little cost with the right insurance. So next step, the easiest thing to do is go get a free quote online. You could go to our website at homebusinesscenter.com/123/insurance.html. Thanks for watching. Bye.